And a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. The turbulence in the global market continues. Kal US dollar index strengthened, but at the same time, US bond yields, specifically at the short end, that fell. And the 2-year closed below 4%. इतना दिन से जब भी US bond yields were falling, US dollar index came under pressure, but kal it was different. नाउ कल जो डेटा आया यूएस से 3 इंपॉर्टेंट डेटा पॉइंट्स. पहला होलसेल प्राइस इंडेक्स विच इज़ बेसिकली द होलसेल इन्फ्लेशन, दूसरा रिटेल सेल्स और तीसरा एक रीजनल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडेक्स. तीनों वर मच वीकर. इसके कारण जो ऑड्स फॉर अ रेट हाइक बाय द फेड नेक्स्ट वीक by 25 basis point has come down from 90% to 67%. Ye odds are fluctuating significantly over the past couple of weeks due to various global news. एक तो banking sector का issue था, and plus initially it was a comment from the Jerome Powell, who sounded extremely hawkish. So because of which we are seeing extreme volatility in the odds for Fed hike. In fact, May Fed was supposed to hike by another 25 bips and take rates to 5.25. Now those odds have come down dramatically over the past 6-7 hours and is now down to just 36%. So which means ये volatility जब तक settle नहीं होता है, the odds will keep on fluctuating, and that in turn will start impacting equities, currencies, commodities, bonds, etc. Now, what is the price action in USDINR? Now, USDINR October last year say we have been seeing that it has always got sold off closer to 80 to 90 on the spot. So 80 to 90 it has not been able to sustain, and this is a March and a year end when we tend to see a lot of corporate inflows, dollar inflows, जिसके कारण selling थोड़ा सा heavy रहता है. तो जिसके फलस्वरूप ये हो सकता है कि 80 to 90 के आसपास a lot of the positional traders may be tempted to build shorts in USDINR. If you are doing so, let's say closer to 80 to 80, 80 to 90, then definitely maintain a stop above 83.05 on the spot levels. अगर 83.05 के ऊपर spot starts to trade, then exit your shorts, because then it will be a breakout out of a 6-month range. और जब भी इतना long time frame का range से breakout होता है, the price action is quite explosive and you don't want to be caught on the wrong foot. So it is okay to go short. It makes sense to go short near 80 to 80, 90 because extreme end of the range, but stop losses are must. You can, instead of doing futures, you can even buy a put spread, क्योंकि उसमें it's a hedge strategy. In case there is a gap up breakout any day, you are not caught with large losses. So put spread can be done instead of short futures. Short strangle हम लोग अभी भी कर नहीं रहे हैं because of the fragility in the global markets and the volatility. So an ardent fly is advisable than a short straddle strangle. Intraday के लिए आप कर सकते हो क्योंकि you can manage that risk with adequate stop loss and smaller position size. And in the cross currencies, EURINR, GBP, JP, in दोनों currencies में we can see a slight decline आज because those two currencies have fallen. और आज ECB का policy meet है जहाँ पे they are expected to hike by 50 basis point. The focus will be what is their outlook, or their outlook on inflation, outlook on growth, and outlook on the path of the future policy hikes. उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा how the euro dollar behaves and EURINR behaves from tomorrow onwards. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.